Okay, so far we've been learning how to solve right triangles and using right triangle trigonometry in order to do it. However, today we're going to learn how to solve a triangle that is not a right triangle. And we're going to use the law of sines to do it. So what we have to be able to have is at least an angle and an opposite side that corresponds with that angle. So in other words, I'm going to use ratios in order to solve this. So I must be able to represent one full ratio, such in this case, I have angle A and I have side A. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to use these ratios to solve for the other parts. Actually, law of sines is pretty simple, especially if you understand ratios. Now, in the case, if I were given side C instead of side A, I couldn't use law of sines. You must have a complete ratio in order to use it. So I'm going to use this formula, sine of A over side A, and we're going to say, okay, sine of 37 degrees over 3 is equal to, and notice how I have angle B, but I do not have side B. So we're going to solve for side B. So we're going to say it's equal to sine of 68 degrees over side B. Okay, so not so bad. So we're going to take sine 68 degrees, and we're going to convert this to a decimal, 0.9272, and then we'll do the same thing for sine of 68. 0.9272. Oh, wait a minute, I think I did the wrong thing here. Let me do this one. Sine of 37. Now, that one should be 0.6018. Okay, so now I'm going to cross multiply. So 0.6018b is equal to, and then 3 times 0.9272 is 2.7816. And then we're going to solve for b, so we're going to divide both sides by 0.6018. And whenever I divide that out, I should get 4.6. I'm just going to check it with the book here. Make sure that I got the right thing. And I sure did. Okay? Now, I can go on to solve for side C. I can easily find angle C just by subtracting the sum of 37 plus 68 from 180, because we know that the three angles of a triangle always add up to equal 180 degrees. So I'm going to say 180 minus, and we'll put in parentheses, 37 plus 68. And that equals 75 degrees. So now we can solve for side C by setting up the same ratio. Sine of angle A, which is 37 degrees, over side A, which is 3, is equal to sine of angle C, which is 75, over side C. And I'm just going to solve it the same way. We know that this one's 0.6018, and then we're going to find sine of 75, which is 0.9659. Cross multiply. Oops. And 0.9659 times 3 is 2.9. And then I'm going to divide that by 0.6018. And we see here that